Welcome to another capsule on Orgo-Life. Today I want to talk to you about, we're at the time of the year where people are planting all their plants for the gardening and everything, to do tomatoes, to do cucumbers, spices, all kinds of different things. And we're talking about exterior. So we're going to talk today about the dome technology, the kits that comes with one big dome, 6 small domes or 8 small domes in a big dome. And you could buy individually more if you need more, depending on the configurations that you're doing basically on your gardening. You could do a 10 by 10 foot, 15 by 15, square, rectangular, whatever. So the big dome, it's all with the quantum equalizer technology and has a special 360 the way the configuration is done. It is a passive technology. It will also be available for those doing interior gardening, an active technology to go even faster. But for the exterior, we really recommend using a passive technology, because if you use an active, you'll have to cover all the wiring, the transformers and the amplifiers to be away from water and humidity. So the big dome works in a way that you put it in the center and you will place all your small domes interior, not on the line of your square, but interior, because you want to cover not the grass, but you want to cover all your gardening. What it does is all your fruits, vegetables will grow faster, higher vibrational state, and will have a better taste. It will be on the vital energy with different tools that we have to measure. We've proven scientifically that the vegetables will have a higher state. So when you put them on the plate and we measure, the energy will go up to 10 times more vibrational, so more life energy, that chi-prana, that energy that keeps us alive, makes us smile, makes us get all the energy we need every day. So a higher vibrational state, they'll grow faster, and not only that, a lot bigger. So bigger, better, faster with Orgo-Life. So this is the quantum technology push. It has maybe 20% on the research of Willem Reich. And Orgo-Life, what we did with all the different tools that we use to prove scientifically is that we have a higher state of vibrational. We use also Himalayan crystals, which have a higher vibration, but you can use any crystals from around the world. But there's different vibrational state and different energy exchange. So we use only Himalayan. Himalayan crystals from the Himalaya have a higher state. So the dome technology is something really you want to get for your gardening. And not only that, all our products are guaranteed for 25 years. Orgo-Life is ergonomy in all of your life, is to use in all your life, because we want and we're looking for a higher vibrational state. For the ones doing little germinations inside your fridge and everything, you could buy also the plant kit for the interior, which will work for all your nice plants, 1 per big plant, and will be also interesting. You could put it in an aquarium where you have animals. You could put it for your lizard, for your any different animals. And we have also the new technology coming out for the dogs and cats and domestics like the horses and stuff like that, coming very soon from Orgo-Life. Watch us for a capsule. Why buy an Orgonite when a few dollars more you could get the Orgo-Life technology? Thank you very much for listening to me.